Welcome back to another episode of the Everyday Review Show. We have Good Road tire snow chain for you today. I bought these off of Amazon and I have laid out one. I bought 3 of these because recommended is to have 4 in each tire, and they come in a set of 6. What comes in this kit? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And some instructions, your gloves, and your capture. We're gonna install one of these for you guys just so you see how easy it is to put these on. Let's take a look at one of these on the other side. This is the side that's gonna be touching the rubber of your tire. All right, let's put one of these on. Okay, so we're gonna install it on my Subaru Ascent here. Our tire size is 245. 50, 20. They're pretty universal. They go on sedans, SUVs, all types of tires and vehicles. And we're gonna try it out, see how easy it is to put this on. So you want to line this up with the curvature of your tire. And what do they recommend? If you're starting here, you got to put the next one right across it. And same thing here, almost like an X or a plus, because you want them to be evenly spaced out. And this device is to kind of capture our strap like so. There we go. Now that we're strapped in nice and tight, make sure these chains are evenly spaced. Once you put these on and you tighten it to your liking, I recommend to drive about 1/4 of a mile and then come back and readjust them. Once you start driving, these are going to find their groove and kind of fall in these threads, and where they want to be, it's gonna get loose again. So you want to stop and tighten them one last time before you get going. You do that 4 other times to get your entire tire. So if I did it here, I would probably go down here for my next one, and then we'll do one here and we'll do another one here. Here's the Amazon page for the chains. I'm going to show you it's compatible with all these tire sizes that are mentioned on the title. And we'll take a quick look at the price. It's 19% off right now on sale, $64.85. And you can also apply a coupon to this one that brings it down to $59.85 and qualifies for the Prime 2-day shipping.